Hello everyone, good morning. Our today's topic, the Cucurbitaceae family. In this family included the 100 genera and 815 species widely distributed in the tropical and subtropical region of the world. In this species, in our India, 86 species only represented. The family of Cucurbitaceae family is also known as the gourd family. They mostly utilize mainly as a vegetables. It means कि जो कुरकुरबिटेसी फैमिली उसमें जो प्लांट है उसमें से मोस्ट ऑफ प्लांट है वो वेजिटेबल्स प्लांट है. The most important plants are the squash, pumpkin, gourds, watermelon, cucumber and etc. First of all, we discuss about the systematic position according to Benjamin Hooker classification. Kingdom Plantae, in which species or the plant are added in this kingdom Plantae. They are the autotrophic mode of nutrition. They are only occurrence a movement. They are not possess a locomotion. Then the division are spermatophyta. It means the seed, flower, seed and embryo bearing plant. Class Dicotyledons. It means in this cotyledons they have a in this seed the two cotyledons are present. Subclass Polypetalae. The plants with 3 petals and the dichotomous flower come under the Polypetalae. Then the series are Calciflorae. In this Calciflorae, the flowers with the sepals united at least at the base, they are gamosepalous, and the ovary either free or attached to the calyx. Then the order Passiflorals. Thus the stem are axillary. They connected the tendrils and the leaves are simple and rarely palmately compound. The family are Cucurbitaceae. Vegetative character. Habit. Annual and perennial herb, climbing herb, tendril help in climbing. इट मीन्स कि जो कुकुरबिटेसी फैमिली है उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ जो हैबिटाट है वो एन्युअल और पेरेनियल हब है. श्रब और ट्री प्लांट है उसमें एब्सेंट है और क्लाइंबर प्लांट है और उसमें टेंड्रिल प्रेजेंट है कि उसके थ्रू कोई भी प्लांट है वो क्लाइंबिंग कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट द हैबिटाट आर मेसोफाइट एंड कल्टिवेटेड इन द गार्डन इन ग्रोस इन सोइल. मेसोफाइट मीन्स कि दे आर अ मॉडरेट condition to the hydrophyte and the xerophyte condition, and they most often cultivated in the garden because they are most of our vegetative plants and they are mostly grow in this soil. Then the root are a taproot and branch. Stem are aerial, soft, weak, climbing, branch and herbaceous. In this Cucurbitaceae family, the stem are aerial. It means they are a straight plant. They mostly herb plant. So the stem are most of soft and weak, and they climbing, and they are herbaceous means evergreen plant. Next is a leaf. In this leaf Phyllotaxy, they are alternate, exstipulated, simple, petiolate, palmately, hairy, obovate, entire and verticulate venation. कि उसकी फाइलोटेक्सी है उसमें जो सिंपल लीफ है वो इन सम प्लांट दे आर अरेंजमेंट आर अल्टरनेट बट इन सम प्लांट दे आर अरेंजमेंट इन अ palmately type. It means they are the simple leaf. In this arrangement are in the arrangement is the alternate, and the petiolated means they is a petiolated type. In this stipule are absent, so it is called the exstipulated. And in some plant the leaf surface the hair are present. The surface is a abovate is like this, and the margin is the entire, and the venation is a reticulate venation. Next, the floral character. First of all, inflorescence. What is the inflorescence? Inflorescence means the arrangement of the flower on a main axis. There is a great variation in the inflorescence. The flowers are solitary or racemose or cymous and panicle, unisexual and monoecious. It means के इस फैमिली के सारे प्लांट है उसमें इन्फ्लोरेसेंस है वो सेम टाइप के नहीं है, वो वेरियस टाइप के इन्फ्लोरेसेंस है कि आइदर उसका इन्फ्लोरेसेंस है वो सोलिटरी और रेसिमोस है कि वो सिंगल फ्लावर प्रेजेंट है रेसिमोस टाइप में, और आइदर इज साइमोस. इन फिगर वी शो दैट द फर्स्ट फिगर इज अ cymos racemose and the second one is a racemose inflorescence and they are the unisexual and monoecious. It means के मेल फ्लावर और फीमेल फ्लावर है वो मेल पार्ट और फीमेल पार्ट यानी कि एंथर और गाइनोशियम है वो एक फ्लावर के अंदर प्रेजेंट नहीं है. सो द मेल फ्लावर एंड फीमेल फ्लावर बोथ आर differentiated and both are in different branch, so it is called the monoecious. We discuss about in our previous slide कि in this Cucurbitaceae family the male flower and female flower are distinguished. So we first discuss the male flower. Male flower produce in the large in number. The flower are a pedicellate, ebractate, ebracteolate, actinomorphic, incomplete, unisexual, pentamorous, white और येलो. इट मीन्स कि उसका जो फ्लावर है तो फ्लावर के नीचे के पोर्शन पेडिकल है वो प्रेजेंट है तो उसे हम पेडिसिलेट कहते हैं. देन ब्रेक्ट एंड ब्रेक्ट्यूलेट आर एब्सेंट, सो इट्स कॉल्ड द ebrect and ebracteolate. They are actinomorphic. It means कि they are bisymmetrical. Then the incomplete because in male flower only the sepals, petals and androecium are present. Gynoecium are absent, so these are called the incomplete. They unisexual because the gynoecium, it means the ovary are absent. They pentamorous. So in this figure the petals are yellow color. They are numbering 5, so it is the pentamorous and generally they are yellow color but sometimes it's white color. In this male flower, the calyx, the sepals are 5 gamosepalous and estivation valvate और imbricate. उसमें जो sepals है उसका नंबर कैसा है 5 नंबर है. The sepals are fused together, so it is called the gamosepalous, and the estivation are valvate. It means they are arranged in a single row or imbricated. Imbricated it means one or outer, one is inner side, and 3 are in means the one is outer, one is inner, one is outer, one is inner. So this arrangement is called the imbricate arrangement. Then next is the corolla. The petals are 5 in number, gamopetalous, united at the base or throughout the polypetalous, imbricate or valvate estivation. It means same to the calyx. Okay, the petals are 5. They most often yellow or green colors. They are fused together, so it is called the gamopetalous. But in some plant like the Lupha and Lagenaria, in the petals are free, so it is called the polypetalous, and the estivation is the same to the calyx, imbricate or valvate estivation. Next is the androecium. So in this androecium the stamen are 5, sometimes free or combined to form a central column united in group 2 plus 2 plus 1. Anther are diatecous, extros and dehiscens longitudinally. It means कि उसमें जो stamen है वो 5 in number है and they are connected to the staminal tube and they arrange में इधर 2 plus 2 plus 1. It means कि जो 2 plus 2 है वो fused together है और जो 1 है वो free arrangement है. In this figure we show that this is a corolla, in this is a calyx. They indicate the sepals and petals. Then they are connected and hold the anther, means it is a anther portion. This is a male flower and this is a ovary. It means this is a female flower, but in this male flower the ovary are absent, only present the anther, and the anther united to form column like this, and the gynoecium is absent in this male flower. So next is a female flower. They are fewer in number than the male flowers. कि जो फीमेल फ्लावर है वो मेल फ्लावर की कंपैरिजन में लेस देन है. कैलिक्स तो सेपल्स आर 5 gamosepalous. Calyx tube adherent to the ovary wall and estivation is the imbricate. के मेल फ्लावर है उसमें सेपल्स 5 नंबर है, दे आर फ्यूज टुगेदर, इट मीन्स गेमोसेपलस, एंड द कैलिक्स ट्यूब are connected to the ovaries wall. Imbricate are a estivation is a imbricate. Next, the corolla same to the calyx. Okay, petals are 5 gamopetalous. Insert on the calyx tube and imbricate the estivation. कि कोरोला है वो क्या हो गया, इंसर्ट ऑन द कैलिक्स ट्यूब, के कैलिक्स ट्यूब है उसकी इनर साइड वो अटैच होता है. देन द एंड्रोशियम द स्टेमिनोड प्रेजेंट और एब्सेंट, इट मीन्स के इन female flower the stamen are absent, in this female flower the stamen, it means androecium, are absent, but in some time the stamen are converted into rudimental, it's called the staminode. Then the gynoecium, so in this ovary is a tricarpellary, it means the 3 carpella are present, they are a syncarpous, means they are fused together. Then ovary is a inferior यूनिलोक्यूलर विद द पेरेंटल प्लासेंटेशन, के उसका प्लासेंटेशन हो वो पेरिफेरल रीजन से स्टार्ट होता है, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, पेरिएटल प्लासेंट. उसमें 3 चैम्बर प्रेजेंट है, वो 3 कार्पेलियन इन वन इन ईच लोक्यूल हैव अ सिंगल ओव्यूल, सो इट इज कॉल्ड द यूनिलोक्यूलर. The fruit are very soft fruit, fleshy fruits, indehiscent and either a berry or pepo. Fruits sometimes very large in size in Citrullus species and the Benica species and Cucurbitaceae family. Next, the seed is a X-albumins, means the non-endospermic seed, flatted, numerous, embryo arrangement is a straight, and cotyledons are light and oily. In the pollination by entomophilus, it means they are by insects. This is a some vegetables are of Cucurbitaceae family, belong to family Cucurbitaceae. About 965 species are around 95 genera. The most important genera are the Cucurbita, Lagenaria, Citrullus, Cucumis and Lupha. This is a for our formula and floral diagram of Cucurbitaceae family. In the first we discuss about the male flower. So in this male flower the bract and bracteolate are absent, so it is write down the EBRL. Then the flower are actinomorphic, the only present of the male portion, female are absent. Next, calyx, they are gamo. Then the corolla also gamo. Then the anther are 5 in number, but the arrangement is 2 plus 2 plus 1. It means कि जो दो एंथर है वो फ्यूज टुगेदर है और सिंगल है, और ओवरी gynoecium is a 0 because in this male flower the ovary is a absent. So this is a male floral formula. Next is a female flower formula. So in this female flower formula write down the female flower formula. Same is the bract absent, bracteolate absent, and flower are actinomorphic. The female flower, it means they are sign. Then the calyx 5 gamo, corolla 5 gamo, androecium absent or a staminoid are present, and the ovary are tricarpellary fused together and inferior ovary. So there is a floral formula of Cucurbitaceae family, and this is the floral diagram of the families. This is a figure of the Cucurbita maxima plant. In this there is a whole plant, there are twinning structure. In this the tendril are present. Then the next is a female flowering. It means that they are the male flower. So the ovary, this is a male flower and this is a female flower. So the ovary is present in this female In this male flower, the only stamen are present. So this is structure diagram of the male, and this one is a female. So in this, the only anther are present. Gynoecium are not occurrence. And in this structure, the anther are absent. Only tricarpellary ovary are present. In both these structures, the calyx and corolla are occurrence the valvate estivation, and this is the sign of the gamocephalus. This gamocephalus means they are fused together. अनदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द कुकुमिश सतीवा यानी कि कुकुम्बर प्लांट है कि उसमें ब्रेक्ट और ब्रेक्टियोलेट है, वो दोनों में मेल और फीमेल में एब्सेंट है. देन बोथ आर एक्टिनोमोर्फिक. They are the male flower sign. They are the female flower sign. The calyx and corolla same 5 and gamocephalus. In this, the anther have a 2+2+1 arrangement. Gynoecium are absent. In this, the anther are staminode or either absent. And ovary are 3. They are syncarpous and they are inferior. Next, the economic importance. They are the vegetable or immature fruit of the several cucumber. It means the raw or cooked as a vegetable. Okay, most of the cucurbitacea plant they are used in this vegetable, and some are used in the fruits. The ripened fruits of the some plants are eaten as a dessert or used to making the refreshing juice. Okay, example of the watermelon. The watermelon are when the ripe, so they are used as a dessert, or either they are used in the juice. Then the medicinals. The fruit plum of pumpkin. The pumpkin are used in the inflammation. Then the fruit of the Momordica carendia are used in the stomach and diabetes problem, and some fruit are used as the bath sponge. These are the some plants are listed in this Cucurbitaceae family. The Citrullus lentans, it means the watermelon plant. Then the Beninska Hespedia, they are known as the Kolu. The next one is a snake god, the Trichosanthus cucumerina. Then Cucumis sativa, it means the cucumber. Thank you.